Evening spirit.
She shouts.
Ooh, let's do the reading to the highest level of frequency. Love. A king. Let's find the 4 kings. What is my twin flames energy?
I only want to be heard.
Okay, you speak now, so you will be heard. You're talking of the seed. You speak now. You wanna get heard from? Only the vibration frequency of love, spirit. Okay? Let's see. Oh, that's a good start. No. Oops. Excuse me. This one. Oh, I'm very full. Too much food. 4. Good start to the Emperor. Ah, Daddy. Daddy Saturn. Is Daddy gonna be here? He's busy at the moment. Yeah, even Michael is busy. Haven't heard from Michael yet.
Temptation.
Spirit. Sounds like temptation. It's very close to the words obsession. You're making me laugh. Okay. Oh, it flipped. Oh my God! It flipped the power of love and the spirit of diamond. Okay. Okay. You being heard, the spirit. And you being heard. That's the flip card. You being heard. You are the spirit. And then you are the power of love. Okay. Let's see. 7 card. To the highest frequency of love. It's the only universal law. Oh, I didn't count spirit. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more.
He doesn't like visitors.
7. Who's visitor? I'm in my home. Okay. What's energy? Energy. Libra. Oh, you are your energy at the moment. And then you're pointing to me. So, given that you're pointing to me, that means I am the highest level of intellect at the moment. Okay. Fair enough. First card. The love. 3 of heart. The pyramid. Oh my God, Daddy! I'm just saying. Is Daddy Saturn gonna be here? He is here. He bring the strength.
I'm sad.
Spirit, don't be sad. Cheer up. Oh my God! The 6 of heart. The universal itself. So happy, eh? Too much love. Oh my God naman. The energy is here. The universe and me. Look, yin yang again.
My body lies close by.
Oh, really? Okay. Oh, this is cardinal. It's Libra's energy, yeah. 69. 369. Double 6 is 12. Both of us is here, okay. This is the power. I tell you, this is the power of 369. Oh my God. Oh my God. Father! 369, I was just seeing it. I already see that. Oh my gosh. Double 3, double 6, double 9. I just see this is the power of 369. Daddy. Okay, the children first, yes. Because it's our duty, yeah. Libra embodied what? The Empress, okay. Empress is the nurturer. Oh.
Vortex.
Ah! Spot on, spirit. It's spot on. He embodied the energy of the vortex. Fair enough, because Libra is the seraphim. I am the cherub, yeah. It's in my tattoo. It's in my name. My name is my DNA. Unity. And then join with your spirit. And we are harmonized. Okay, this is the power of 369. Oh, Daddy is the justice now. Notice it. The heart of 3 towards the earth and towards it's just notice that too. This one, it's yin yang. See?
Black Death.
You see that, everyday spirit? What about the Black Death? Is that gonna happen again? Yeah, I trust you. Yeah, I believe in you because you are the, yes, all-knowing, yeah. Oh, my hair just standing in spirit, yes. Yeah, that's scary. Scary for those doesn't listen, isn't it? Well, it's not our work anymore, spirit. Those have ears to hear, but if not, well, that's their egotistic head. I don't have ego. I've always bow and obey my father. But I'm stubborn to Michael, yeah. But I learned that. Now I'm not anymore.
Gash.
Gosh. It's falling. It's falling. It's falling itself. The ace of flower. And it is daddy. And it is daddy. Daddy. Oh my gosh. Too much chicken. The top of chicken. Too much chills. Too much chills. Look at that. The 7. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 7 of flower. Why is it? Okay.
Patricia.
Yeah. It's because I'm Mars. Okay, Father. Okay, Father. As long as Libra is love. As long as he loves me. There's no not. He just love me. Your love cannot deny, and my love cannot deny. Oh my God, that is. Oh my gosh. Okay, stop. Too much excitement. Okay. 9 card until I finish. Okay. When gonna be finished, spirit. Okay. Oh. Why my heart is feeling excited, spirit? Excitement, like there's something's gonna you know the serendipity, like unexpected. It's just one story that never been said, something like that. I don't know. I think I am. Secret. Okay, secret at the moment. 3. 2. It's a secret at the moment. 2, 3.
Sense.
Common sense. Oh, common sense. Don't say, spirit. Don't say. You're gonna spoil the secret. And it's a surprise, Daddy said. What he said? I know Daddy doesn't say anything. Yeah, but he's here. He's holding a hammer already. I sense it. 369, power 369. Oh! 0 degrees of Aries. The 0 degrees of Aries is... Oh, I thought Libra. Oh my God. Next month. February. Ring of Fire. Ring of Fire. 17 Ring of Fire, spirit. Ring of Fire. Oh.
He will trick you.
I'm a trickster already. Don't you know me? I am the 0. I am the clown, the fool, the hell, the whatever. And all that is. And what's the energy of the Father? Yes. Oh, this 2, 4, 6, 8. One more. 9. Let's see, spirit. Oh my God, the first card. The 6 of flower. It's my energy. Oh my God, Libra. Libra. I love you. I love you. We are aligned. I'm here. He's in the middle. I'm here. The Jack of flower. Oh, Father. Father. Oh, is it? That's my excitement, okay? Oh, yeah. It's Libra. It's Libra time. It's 5 of spade. The intellect is thinking, too much thinking at the moment because he is a cardinal, yes. He's thinking.
Burned.
Burn is is inferno, is hot. He is a phoenix, rising from the ashes of his ass. Is that what it is? Oh,
Potentially.
you're saying the temptation. I was saying the obsession is the same words. Okay. He cannot hide the hotness. I sense it. Oh my God, the love. It's funny. My energy is a flower and Daddy is here. The heart. Oh my God. Oh, Oh, this is the judgment. Okay. He will, what? To speak the truth, okay? Speak the truth. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. To speak the truth.
Recording.
This is his energy at the moment. This is his energy at the moment. Okay. He's burning, you see. He's in the inferno at the moment. It's all pointing to him. It's all pointing to him. All the card is pointing to him. That means to bring judgment and speak the truth. The whole truth, nothing but the truth. I'm next to him. I'm next to him. And then Father is, oh my God, Lord, Libra, look at that. You have to speak. I'm not gonna count. I'm low in the mat at the moment. I'm just excited, okay? Alright. Oh, I'm so hot. I'm so hot, I tell you. I have chills. I have hot.
Holy Spirit.
The Holy Spirit. Oh my God. That's why I'm so hot. Oh my God. I know when I'm hot like this, it's Father is here. Like the night of our reunion. Oh my God. Like I'm walking into the volcanoes. Fire, lava, and it's just like inferno. It's so hot. Like I'm burning in hell. Okay. And so does Libra, yeah. He embodied the water, but he's the more embodied the rising sun. Thomas, oh, hang on, his stellium. Stellium means he embodied all the 4 elements. The fire, the water, the earth, and the air.
Speaking.
I'm speaking to Libra at the moment. The seraphim, okay. And then we are bound together with as above, so below. So no one can escape. That's what the temptation and the obsession. It's love. Burnt in hell. Okay. How many times? Okay, 12 cards, spirit. 12. Give me 12 cards, the honest and nothing but always the honest truth. I know it's always the truth because you're a spirit. Okay. I love you, spirit. Oh. Why I'm so excited?
Are you recording?
No, I'm talking to you. Okay, 12 card spirit. I don't know, like, what happened? Why I'm excited? Okay, there's something like a truckload of cash. A truckload of wealth. Oh yeah. About that, yeah. A threshold. For the children. And for the animals, yes, I don't forget that. I love dogs. Cats. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Let's see. I'm so excited that I can't hide it. I don't want to know. I want you. What's that song? Okay. Oh, it is speed of 2. It's oh my God, Daddy, you're fiery, I tell you. Oh my God.
Explain this equipment.
the equipment, Spirit, so that I can communicate on you. Communicate so I can speak directly to you. So I don't get disturbed when I'm sleeping. Because usually, the spirit just walk around and just disturbing my sleep. At least I'm now talking to you before I go to bed. Oh my God. The universe is love. Oh, Libra. Libra. I love you, my love. I love you. Atlantis. Atlantis. Under the sea. Oh, yeah, your father. You're a father. Oh, you're a father soon. Father!
They buried me alive.
Father! You just say. You just unfold the secret. Okay. Father, unfold the secret. The love. This is the Libra. Ambi. Father and Libra. And then. Oh my God. Wow. The new era. The Genesis. Our new world. Okay. Father, I don't wanna cry. Oh my God. Mm. 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 We're alone. Love you, Father. Love you. I don't 347. I don't wanna cry. Oh my God. Mm. Whew.
Please believe us.
Whew. Spirit, I always believe in you. Mm. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Hmm. 777, Spirit, the 777. One thing I know for sure. One thing I know for sure. It's the Cardinal Empire. The empire brought the kingdom to earth at last. At last. Oh my gosh. Oh. The empire on earth. Well, Libra. It's Atlantis. Atlantis, you're here?
Too messy to haunt.
Yes, very messy. It's gonna be messy. It's because Daddy will clean out the earth. And yes, because Daddy gonna clean the infant. His seed, cleaning the way so that when I walk, there's no thorns. Just imagine it, Spirit. Hang on, why are you walking around? Who's walking around? Just imagine if, because I am a creator, I am Elohim, and I know when you have child innocent, doesn't know what it's doing. That's the same like Daddy Saturn. He's gonna clean all the path that I'm walking in, so that there's no more thorns and there's no more pain and there's no. He's gonna love me. The pain. It's
You are trespassing.
It's all done. It's Daddy's.
Spirit.
It's Daddy's work now, Spirit. His return. His return. He's returning in 0 degrees of Aries to hold my hand. To carry me again. Thank you, Spirit. My tears is tears of joy.
Matthew.
The joy of being. I think I already said that this morning. I said, yeah, I see to Libra.
There's a curse.
The curse is gone. I was saying to Libra this morning, I guess I messaged you. All the pain, it's wiped out. It's all gonna be happiness for me, because since my entire life until 47 years old is all suffering non-stop. And now Daddy Saturn return, he will carry me to. That's what you're saying, Spirit. Last night you saying it. Rest. It's because Daddy want me to rest. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
Follow your dreams.
You're making it worse. Making it worse. I just wanna be happy. And be happy. What's this card? you, Daddy. Where's this card? Ten of Diamonds.
I was in the military.
Ten of Diamond, Eight of Diamond, Two of Heart, Eight of Heart, and Ace of Heart. I am,
Wicked.
yeah, the world is so wicked. Human is capable of all cruelty. The children of the next generation, they can count on me. Well, the helm is here. Daddy.
Anguish.
The anguish is now over. The same as my pain is over. Okay, it's my energy spirit. Hang on.
My favorite place.
Yes. To be loved and just love.